make it a better place.
Hi, I'm Christine with YourStampingTeacher.com. Thanks for joining me today. Today we're going to do the faux sanding technique along with some fibers with our 1 1/4 inch burlap ribbon. So let's get started. You'll also need a piece of chocolate chip cardstock 4 by 5 1/4. And because of time, this is what it looks like. After it's been taken out of the wood green folder, you'll also need Whisper White pigment ink and a sponge. You want to take a little bit of your ink and rub it across the top of the wood grain. I know many of you don't like all that dust the cardstock creates, so this is a great alternative. Add that to your crumb cake cardstock. You'll also need a piece of Sweater Weather Designer Series paper, 1 1/4 by 4, and a coordinating piece at 1/2 inch by 4. I know many of you are used to seeing things run through Big Shots. You don't need to see me do it. I used our Autumn Accents in Crushed Curry, Tangerine Tango, and Soft Sky. I'm going to add that to our cardstock. I'm using a little bit of crumb cake. I'm stamping Happy Birthday from Label Love. It is a bundle with our Artisan Label Punch. Cut a 4-inch piece of our 1 1/4 inch burlap ribbon. Cut the end off. And take 2 or 3, maybe 4 fibers and wrap it in a knot. Add some glue dots to it. Add it to the back of your punched piece. And I'm going to add some dimensionals to finish it off. Trim it up. And you have 2 techniques in one. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions, you can contact me at Christine@YourStampingTeacher.com. Bye-bye.